Hi there, welcome to the MAXHUB office. This afternoon we've put together a presentation that may assist people understanding what the MAXHUB education system can do. We're using Zoom communication software along with the MAXHUB display. The software application is using the Note software. So today we've connected up using Note 3 other users. The first user is myself. Let's pretend I'm the teacher, and I've got 2 other students connected with me. During the presentation today, my students, these 2 people here, can hear and understand what I'm doing during the education program. So what they're able to see is my annotation that I can do on this whiteboard. So welcome to MAXHUB. Okay, so using this tool, using the Note software, the teacher or lecturer can easily communicate with the students in their distant learning environment, be it at home or another location. The teacher has full control. He can also prepare a lesson that may need to be done before the scheduled time for the students connecting up their systems and for the presentation. Using the MAXHUB and the software here, I can easily control what needs to be done. So in the center of the screen are my tools, so I can select the particular color and the pen set. I prefer to use the brush here, so I can just go 2 by 2 equals 4, if it's that kind of simple arithmetic. It can go rather advanced as well. Using the tools, I can add another page here, here, where's it here, add another page, then I can select the appropriate discipline tool here, let's say chemistry. I can drag over this tank. I can use a flask here, and we can use the okay, here. Why isn't this going here? It's not working. Okay. I can pour the liquids into the tank here. So in a science lesson or a chemistry lesson, this might be very useful and a very appropriate way for the teacher to be able to teach the students remotely. That's just one of the tools we have here. We've got additional tools. I'll just go to another page. We'll do a light here, maybe a power supply, and a meter. Get the pen, the green one, going here, around to there, red, here, there, around to there. And now we can turn the light on. So for the presentations remotely, this is a great benefit for the teacher to be able to display the lesson to the students. The MAXHUB can be connected to your house network, and we can connect up to the internet as well. So we'll just go to another page here. The tool set, and go to our browser. Let's say Melbourne. Enter that, and we'll go to some images. And as I mentioned before, the teacher can prepare a lot of these lessons beforehand and then synchronize up with the students for a scheduled time to go live. So a lot of this work can be prepared as well. So let's pick one or two photos out of the Melbourne collection, and I'll select the bridge, and I can start building up my collection. What's another one for Melbourne? Maybe the town hall here. Again, we can go to the scissor cut, and then select that. We can also interact with the students as well, so it's just not a one-way tutorial. I can allocate the whole group to be able to have an open discussion, or I can select different students to have a one-on-one or whatever needs to be done for the lesson. Okay, let me pick this one here. And perhaps one more. Okay, we'll get rid of this. I can reassign these cutout scissor cuts, and go to here. Let me try this. Melbourne. So we've got the intelligent writing set going on that. So quite easily the teacher can prepare this. We can annotate on this and draw and do that kind of work. We can erase that. We'll go back. I can select that and we'll just go back there. Select the eraser here and then work from there. So this is a very fast, good distant education method using the MAXHUB and using Note software in the education package, in addition using the Zoom interactive software. Also, this whole lesson can be recorded. The output can be emailed to the students. Some students may miss out on the schedule. Exactly. So everything that gets recorded here will also be recorded for the students to recap or to view for the first time. Yeah. All right then, thank you very much. Bye-bye.